मिल रही है, बड़ा मिल रही है, इतना का नहीं है।
Please take quick action.
KG Tiles. KG Tiles தான் நம்ம ஃபேமிலியோட ஒன்லி சாய்ஸ். வேற ஆப்ஷன் சான்ஸே இல்லை.
எப்பவாவது பாடத்தையும் படி.
Respected sir, I am N. Gopalakrishnan, age of 71. My service number 618960, rank corporal, trade MT driver. I put up 11 years, 10 months Indian Air Force service, and I got issued from the Joint Control of Defence Accounts letter on 28 December 2018 for 11 years, 10 months pension purpose. So far, they didn't take any action against that JCDA Air Force letter, and my missus has expired just 5 days back, 26 July 2025 at Madurai Government Hospital. She was sick long. I requested to everybody for help, but nobody has given that penalty grant. They granted for 48,000 per year. That also they stopped. All of a sudden they didn't give that payment. Just given the letter and purposely they stopped that penalty grant. And old age pension also, so far I didn't get from the state government or central government. And the Supreme Court of India has taken my case with PAL guidelines, but so far not taking action. And the National Human Rights also they filed the case and they are not taking action. And President of India, I put up the precipitation on August 2010. So far no action. Please help me before I